and we want to accelerate their go-to-market. And this is one way where we enable the partners to capture that next wave of opportunity.
And we are back live from the GITEX in Dubai, GITEX 2025, sitting in the Logicom Tech Talk podcast studio with none other than Imad ElYassir, the Regional VAD Alliances and Strategic Program Leader for Oracle. So welcome, Imad.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure always to be with Logicom, and I think I'm excited to be here with you this GITEX.
We're also very excited to have you here with us. So Imad, cloud adoption is accelerating in the region. I think we can all agree. From your perspective, how is Oracle enabling their partners to do just that and to capture that next wave of opportunities?
Perfect. So if you look at the region today, the digital transformation story is nothing short of remarkable, to be honest. So just to share a few examples and facts about the potential that's happening in the region. If you look at UAE specifically, the public cloud market is valued at around 13 billion and is set to triple by 2030 to 45 billion.
Wow.
In parallel to that, AI market is on the rise as well.
Yeah.
It was valued in UAE at 3.5 billion last year, and it's also set to reach 46 billion. So we're talking collectively AI and cloud opportunity in the region is set to reach 200 billion over the coming decade.
So a huge market.
A huge potential, a huge market. And if we take a few steps back as well, and we look at it globally as well, by 2030, honestly, 1/3 of the global economy is going to be a digital economy. Of course, cloud and AI are going to be at the center of it and at the core of it. So why am I mentioning this is because it's very exciting. Over the past few years, we're seeing that really partners are being at the center of that momentum, and they're actually proactively driving it with leading technology vendors. So what does this mean for the partners? It means two things. Cloud adoption is the norm, and AI is on the rise, and it's the next big thing.
Okay.
So it's important for partners to really align their go-to-market strategy to those priorities, so that they can, capture that next wave of opportunity.
Yeah.
Now, from Oracle's perspective, how do we enable those partners to capture that next wave? So it's through three key things. One, enablement and readiness. So what do I mean by enablement and readiness? Through our unique Oracle Partner Network program, and we just launched, by the way, our new enhanced Oracle Partner Network just back in August. Through that program, partners can unlock a set of benefits and resources and assets that can help them build their capabilities, differentiate themselves, fast track their knowledge and know-how, and better understand Oracle's unique value proposition, so that they can, go to market easier and faster and in a more efficient way. Also, it's important to note here that, through our distribution ecosystem and mainly Logicom, we're helping, scale that enablement and that readiness with new partners as well as existing partners. So really upskilling and taking our ecosystem to the next level as we drive this digital transformation journey.
I think you've also nailed the key priority here, and it's readiness and building that capability. And it's wonderful that you have programs in place for your partners to do just that.
Exactly, and we have one as an example, a strategic initiative or a program that we are running right now as we speak, started back in July up until November, called OCI Race to Certification. So this is really a platform for our partner ecosystem to fast track their OCI skills by getting certified, getting access to a huge number of tools and resources and assets, all for free. And this is all part of, enabling them, upskilling them. We want them to understand our unique value proposition. We want them to understand our solutions and how they can, better partner with us. Because at the end of the day, from Oracle's perspective, we don't want our partners to really just sell Oracle Cloud Solutions. We want them to be ready so that they can lead with it in their conversations with their customers.
It seems that upskilling has never been so critical in a time that technology is evolving so rapidly.
Exactly. We're a very innovative company. Just right now, as we speak, we have AI world as well. A lot of new innovation and technology stacks are being rolled out. So we want to make sure that our partners are at the same pace with us as we go through this journey. The second pillar, sorry,
Yes.
on aside from enablement and readiness, is we want to make it simpler for partners to engage with Oracle, and we want to accelerate their go-to-market. And this is one way where we enable the partners to capture that next wave of opportunity. So what do we mean by that? Oracle is a big company. It might be complex, a lot of solutions. It can be overwhelming for partners.
can.
So through distributors like Logicom, we make it easier to deal with Oracle through structured program processes, initiatives, to make the go-to-market for our partners more easy,
Simplified.
more
Yes.
lucrative, and simplifying that engagement. And finally, how do we also enable them? I think one key point is the way we deal with our partners. We want them to stand out. We want their interaction with Oracle ultimately to be profitable. So we encourage our partners to build their own solutions, their own IP, managed services, all around Oracle Cloud, so that they can offer unique solutions to their customers and drive real customer outcomes as well. And ultimately, this is where they reach their full profitability story with Oracle Cloud as well.
Yes, yes. Well, it's a very fascinating time that we're living in. Everything is moving so rapidly, and it's really great to see this partnership that you have via Logicom, and in this enablement is actually at the it is the pièce de résistance, the cherry on the sundae.
Indeed.
As well.
Indeed. Ultimately, cloud, as I said, is the norm. AI is the norm now.
Yes.
We want to make this cloud success simpler and more accessible to our partner ecosystem. And this can only happen at scale through distribution at the end of the day, and through Logicom, of course, as a strategic distributor for us.
And what do you see as the biggest priorities for your partners in the coming year?
Perfect. That's a great question. Honestly, in FY26, I think it's all about focus, differentiation, and execution. So the biggest priority for Oracle in FY26 is going to be centered around 4 growth pillars. So it's cloud, data and AI, multi-cloud, and modernization. So partners that align to those growth pillars, that align their go-to-market with those, I would say, plays that Oracle is focusing on, are going to be uniquely positioned to capture that opportunity with us and to be closely aligned with us. And of course, through Logicom and through our distribution ecosystem, we're basically scaling those priorities across markets. We're enabling and driving awareness across our ecosystem around those growth pillars, and making sure we're building our entire co-engagement, co-sell motions with our partners with those priorities at the center in FY26. And that's in a nutshell, basically, how we're empowering the ecosystem. At the end of the day, Oracle is really focusing on becoming a channel-driven company to be partner-friendly, and we want partners to see us as a strategic player and to find engaging with Oracle as easy, simple, and hopefully lucrative as well.
Well, that is some sound advice. Well, thank you very much for being here with us today on the Logicom Tech Talk podcast. It was great to have you here.
Thank you so
Imad.
much, Alexander. It's a
Thank
pleasure.
you.